how to add clickable link to your Instagram bio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your profile. Here, tap on the edit profile option you see there and then tap on the links option. Now, you will see the option for add external link, so tap on the add external link option and in the URL text box, go ahead and type in your link, or you can also simply paste your link. Further, add the title if necessary and then tap on the done option on the top right of your screen. And with this, if you go back to your profile, you can see that the link has been added to your bio. So this is how you can add clickable link to your Instagram bio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.